Hello dear traders, welcome back again to our channel. So in this video we are going to discuss about how to use a TradingView platform very effectively, because couple of guys asked me they are not able to find out the some sections of TradingView and how to use it. So we are going to discuss it in detail in this video so that you will get to know. Because see, in our all the videos, right, all the patterns, basically triangle pattern or channel pattern, we need to have clear chart, and we need to able to draw patterns very properly. We need to draw able to draw trend line properly. So that's the reason I thought like we'll make this video, because I got a couple of queries also regarding that. So that's the reason I thought, okay, we need to get things move on. And in this video we are going to discuss about how to use a TradingView effectively. So beginners, please kindly listen it carefully whatever I am going to discuss in this video. And also whoever want to learn price action very properly, please kindly listen it carefully. And also if you haven't subscribed to our channel, right, please kindly do subscribe. So that is kind of motivation for me. And also if you are liking our content or you are making any money out of it, please kindly come back to our video, comment below, so that I will get to know, okay, you are making money out of it and you are interested in these videos. So I will make such videos again and again. Okay, so now we'll discuss it about our TradingView platform, how to use it effectively. Let's discuss about it. So in this video we are going to discuss about how to use TradingView website effectively. If you are a beginner, please kindly listen it carefully. If you are professional also, and if you want to learn price action properly and how to use TradingView effectively, if you want to know that, please kindly listen it carefully, because this is the one of the most important thing, drawing patterns on plain chart. And that chart or the platform should be clean so that we can access it easily, and that is kind of readable format. Okay, so that's the reason I decided to make this video, how to use TradingView. Okay, and I got couple of queries also. Some people are not able to draw the trend line, not able to find out the where risk and reward ratio like a symbol, and from where we can get that. So that's the reason I thought it's better to share these things, because these are the things which needed and really needs to have in our mind to draw these things. Okay, so we'll discuss each section of this TradingView one by one. Okay, so now we'll go first on our trade line, how to use trade line. Okay, so meanwhile I will just close this our indicator whatever we have. Okay, so see guys, so if you want to use a trend line, this is the symbol here as a trend line. Just click on it, just click on trend line. If you want to mark it as a favorite, here is you can mark it as a favorite. Okay, like this, clicking on this. So like this, just select this line, and where you want to draw, right, draw like this. Suppose you want to draw here. Okay, just draw it like this. Okay, so just point one point and second point, just try to match the touches of this candlestick to this candlestick and try to draw that. So this is how I am using trend line in our website. Okay, this TradingView website. So mostly I follow this only. And the second thing from this section which I am using is horizontal line. So just select, go here, just select horizontal line from here, and just come to chart and just draw it like this. Just click it, it will automatically draw that horizontal line. Okay, and if you want to change color, change the color from here. Okay, like that I selected black, right? So in that way, like see, now black is coming color. So in this way you need to select this. Okay, so now I will show you one thing, how to clean this grids actually, right? Sometimes it's not feeling well and there is not a watermark, so you have to go to this uh, settings and then you have to use it. Okay, so just go here, just click on this, select white color, or same color also fine if you want to use, and here also select white color and select this as a very, this one. Okay, you can see right at the background what is happening. So if you see this, and here also click this one, and now click on OK. See, now you are not able to see that grids, right? Now chart is very plain, right? So this is how. So if you do like this, right? So okay, now second thing, what is the watermark, how to get watermark? See, here is a watermark symbol, so just check it. So once you check it, right, see here you able to see the name of stock, time frame, and the name actually. Okay, so this is very useful. You don't need to see here actually what is the time frame you are selecting. So you can see on this chart only, just click on OK, and that's it. So again, this times, right, time frame, like whatever the times you want to use, daily, weekly, monthly, 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, like that. You can select here. So if you are not able to see all this, just select from here, mark as a favorite, it will automatically come here. Okay, so this is what about this time selection. And the thing is, see, if you are going to other stock, right, and sometimes what happens, no, initial days, if you are not setting it properly, then it will behave like this way. Okay, so if you don't want to get that, just select this scale price chart only. Okay, so this is important. So just select it. And also this, see, the others are already check mark, but you need to select this one so that it will come properly. And if you want to go through one by one stock, right, just click on space, just press this space button, space bar, it will go for each stock. See guys, like this. Okay, so this is what about like how I use trend line and the space bar for this one, and like time frame. And now again we discuss about scale also, right, and grids also. So from here, right, you can select multi window also, 2 windows, 3 windows, like that, right. So use this window bar also, so that like you can if you want to do multi time frame analysis, you can do it. And now we'll go to our next section, and this here, right. So here are like patterns, basically like Fibonacci retracement, Gann and pitchfork. So I'm not using it actually. Sometimes I use Fibonacci retracement, but that's also I'm not using that much nowadays. So that is not of useful for me, so I'm not using it. So brush, right. So if I want to explain you something, right, that like that, right. Suppose like a trend is behaving like this, and this is the trend line, and this is the downtrend line. So suppose I want to explain you, I can use this brush. And again second from there is rectangle. So rectangle is for drawing like support and resistance zones, right. So basically if you select like this, right, you can draw it. See, this is resistance zone and this is support zone. Basically in this way you can use this rectangle. Okay, so from here what else I will use? No, I'm not using anything from here. And this is the text. So text right, this is the text for this chart. So like this, if you click on it, you will see like this text. But that is not needed for you if you are if you are like a trainer or teaching like this, right, things. That time only you needed this one. Otherwise, that's not needed. Okay, anything from there? No, not. From here, I don't use anything from this patterns or anything. Most important thing is this one. Okay, this is the really important thing. Please listen guys, this is really important things. So this will give risk reward ratio. What is the risk I am taking? Suppose here I am making entry. Okay, see guys, this is coming like this. So this is a red color is nothing but stop loss. What is the stop loss? And this is my take profit. So my target, what is the target? And it will calculate everything. What is the risk you are taking in percentage wise, in money wise, and how much you are earning in money wise and in percentage wise. Also, what is the risk to reward ratio, like 1 is to 553, right? That things, everything is giving. Okay, and quantities also, everything is calculating this one within a seconds. So that's the reason you don't need to spend manually, don't need to use Excel sheet to calculate these things. Okay, so this is really important tool which I use everywhere. Okay, and I already discussed about this and now all the things, how to take entry and how to calculate this, right? So please kindly use it properly. So second here, okay, also I use this short. So shorting means from here. So now this is for selling first and buying later. So that time also we can use this. So my red color is stop loss, my this green color is my target. So see guys, here stop loss is 0.85, 2% stop loss, and risk reward ratio 1 is to 682, and my target is 580 and 14% target. So this is what it is. So these are really important things guys, this one basically calculating risk and our stop loss, and that is needed, that is really needed. Okay, so we'll go to our next stop, which is this one. Okay, so this is a symbol which I use, right, to show you like how to get this maximum touches. So wherever it is touching, I'm just pointing it out. So that's what I am using, but I don't think so that is needed for you. Okay, so like this, see, suppose we go to next talk, right, that, right. Maybe I will open some Titan. So one thing, so how to open the stock, right? Just directly type it. Suppose Titan, I want to search Titan. Okay, like this. So it will come here. Okay, see guys, I already draw there this trend lines, right? And how to use it, that's already we discussed. Okay, so suppose I want to draw a trend line, right? Just take a trend line from here, and just suppose I want to draw from here to here, like this. I'm drawing this one, and suppose I want to draw from here to here, like this. Just check one point and second point. So, and one more thing, one important thing I missed to tell you in initial time, like these are the all equity stocks, okay, not a future, and you are not able, you cannot get future stocks here. But the thing is, all future stocks are derived from equity stocks, okay. So the thing is, in futures, right, future stocks, you can see only 3 months data, but here you can see data of like almost a year or 2 year, like that. So this is really helpful guys, this TradingView platform to use, and that's the reason I wanted to share with you, because see, some guys are not able to draw these patterns and everything. So that's the reason I thought, okay, it's better to discuss about it. And I stopped working on other videos and I started working on this video, because this is the one of the most important thing. And the thing is, this trend line, right, basically we want trend line and support resistance zone, and our channel pattern and triangle pattern, and how can we calculate risk, and basically how we are going for long opportunities and short opportunities. Okay, so that is needed. So that's the reason I thought it's better to discuss with you. And the thing is, see, how to import our watch list I already discussed in all the videos almost. So select that whatever the list I discussed in our description, right? So that list, if you click on it, right, maybe it's not working, as I got to know from our other friends. But the thing is, just copy that link into your web browser and just try to hit it. So if you and then you will see one list. Just copy that list, come here and select on import list, and select that list and just import here, and just go through the one stock at a time, like from each stock, and select where you are getting triangle pattern and channel pattern. Is there breakout happening or not? Okay. And the third thing, we'll discuss about alerts. So how to keep alerts. Okay, so like this. Okay, so I want to keep alerts on this trend line. So I will select this one, and then when I want this alert, basically after crossing only once or once per bar, and when it should expire, like that. How I want, like a email notification on off, or pop up on this window. Okay, so that's what. And here you can type like a custom message. This is alert for trend line for buy signal, like this. You can create it. So what will happen, it will create alert, it will like show you. The thing is, see, sometimes what happens, right? See, now if I want to put alert on this line, and this stock already went there, and I want to trade once this trend line breakout is happen. So you can't wait, right? And you may miss once this touch. So alert will help you to figure it out when to trade that trade. So you don't need to watch it again and again. So again, so there are like depend like how many alerts you have, because that is depend on plan, which plan you have. If see one, if you use like login into the trading view, right, you will get 1 month trial. So you use it. If you like it, just purchase their plans, whatever they have, like pro, basic, advanced, and platinum. So those are the plans they have. But as per your need, if you really needing required, then go for it. Otherwise, just use it. Okay, otherwise don't need to buy it. Okay, but it's up to you, because sometimes that helping me to keep alerts, and that's the reason I thought to share with you. Okay, and one more important thing, if you want to do back test, right, this is the replay button. So click on this replay button. It will show the if you click like this, right, now from here you can test it, how this like a pattern behaving. Okay, and just click on this. Now here, from here, you can select the speed. See guys, if I selected speed, right, it's forming one candle at a time. And if I select the more, right, it is updating like more a little bit fast. So this is what, right. So this is also one of the good tool to check with replay, back test it, whatever the indicators or anything, right, whatever I discussed. If you want to test it, you can test it by using this back testing tool. So I think this is all about it. I already discussed everything. So I think so. If there is anything, yeah. So okay, I will exit this, and if you want to see alerts, right, you can see here how many alerts you have, like that. Okay, and if you want to see watch list, you can see here, and here you can see the price and how much movement happened on that day. Okay, so basically this is what about all, I think. So I covered pretty much, and the thing is, see, if you want to change any candlestick, right? I use candlestick. If you want to use bar or hollow candlestick, basically keep candlestick because it's giving proper information. And also, like if you want to select any public script, search here, okay, like DTT underscore zone, suppose like that, okay. So it will come here, and you can search it, you can use it, okay, and just click on it, and you can apply use indicator. So once that is done, indicator will show here, okay. So this is what, and I think that's pretty much. Once you are like done with your like drawing pattern, suppose, right, like this, okay, you draw pattern like this, suppose, okay. Now you want to save it, just click on this save, so it will save into the chart, okay. And the thing is, most important thing, which I always saying, that keep maintaining your sheet, right, and keep maintaining screenshot. So just click on this icon here, see, and so it will click the screenshot. And if you copy this URL and like keep it into your Excel sheet, if you hit this URL, right, I will show you. So if you hit this URL, see, this is the screenshot. Isn't it happening? Amazing, guys. So this is really helping me, because you don't need to worry about this small things. Just focus on real, actual, pure price action, and just focus on your trade. You don't need to do anything, because see, risk calculation, right? This tool, whatever I discussed, that is really important, guys. Really important. I don't need to think about anything, or I don't need to manually calculate what is the risk. Just I am using it, and I'm just putting stop loss and target like this way. So I will get to know what is my risk here, and as per that only I'm trading. So that is a part of risk management again, right? So if our risk management is proper, we are going to make money out of the stock market very easily. So that's all about this trading view and how to use effectively. As a beginner, please kindly follow this carefully, and if you have any doubts, please let me know. Hope you feel this video is interesting and you got all the insights and how to use the TradingView platform very effectively. And these are the things whatever we discussed in video, right? Those are the things really I'm using it, and that's what I'm sharing with you guys. So whatever I'm using it, that's all I'm sharing with you. So please kindly follow these things, so that like you will make sure that whatever the charts you have right in front of you, that is very clear and readable, and you're not a small things creating problem for you. Sometimes what happens, right, if our chart is not clear, we are getting like we get confused and we are not able to do what we are doing on it. So that's the reason I wanted to share these things with you, and hope this video will help you in some way. And also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, right, guys, so please kindly do subscribe. So that is kind of motivation for me to do such videos again and again. So till then, take care of yourself, and thank you so much for visiting our channel.